Hey everybody, I'm deciding to do a small review on the T.Rex Arms Ready Rig that I received as an early Christmas present. So far, I'm very happy with this thing, and I'm going to share my opinions with you guys on it. So I'm going to take all of my stuff out, and then we'll start from there. So I'm just going to go over the rig itself. The front is just loop Velcro, which is really nice for if you want to put something that has a hook back on it, for example, just an extra admin pouch or something like that, and you're set. You can just slam it on there. What I had on there was the civilian patch by Spitbrass. I'll put their links in the description. But yeah, you can put pretty much anything with hook on the back. And opening this up, the front mag pouches are sewn in. There's hook Velcro sewn in on the front, and then on the back of the front flap there's also loop Velcro. And with this, what you can do is you can take something, this is their tourniquet holder. What you can do is you can just put it straight on there, fold this over, and it's secured right there. Obviously I didn't do a very good job of putting it on, but just you get the gist. And yeah, so these are three 5.56 rifle magazine pouches. You can put 5.45 mags in them, and I have seen people put 7.62 magazines in them. T-Rex doesn't recommend this, but I've seen people do it, and it's most definitely possible. Then besides that is a pouch where you can put something like a pistol magazine, if I can fit that in there, like a pistol magazine, and it retains pretty well, even if it doesn't hit the bottom, right? It's still retained very well. And you can also put something like a cat tourniquet in there. Then the pouch to the, well, if you're wearing it to the left of that, is a bigger pouch that you can fit stuff like radios, bigger medical items, stuff like that. So here's a Baofeng UV5R, and fits completely nice in this pouch. And yeah, then I also have a pressure bandage, which would also fit. This one might be a bit tighter, but it works if needed nonetheless. This might be a bit uncomfortable on your underarm, but it is what it is. And just so you know, I probably should have said this earlier, but this pouch is also the same size as a 5.56 magazine. I know this is an airsoft magazine. I don't have access to actual 5.56 PMags at the moment, or Xanax for that matter. But they fit perfectly fine. And as you can see, they're the exact size. So you can fit extra magazines on your side in case you wanted to do that, to refill your front pouches, your belt, whatever. And then in the rear is an even bigger slot. You can fit stuff like, I have had luck actually fitting hyphen chest seals in there. Oops, like so. Fits fine. Can also put gauze. Pretty much anything that's, pretty much anything that's around this size will fit in there. You can probably also fit snacks or whatever you want, honestly. It's a pretty big pocket. And then if we flip it over to the other side, it's identical. So pistol or tourniquet, whatever size pouch, then rifle pouch, and then bigger whatever. And the way you're gonna size this thing is through this piece on the back. It has a flap that goes over just so your Velcro doesn't get undone in the midst of whatever you're doing. So you're gonna pull this up. And then if I unfold this, there are two Velcro pieces. They have hook on the outside, loop on the inside, same with this one. And basically you just basically, you just put it on and tighten it to whatever tightness you want. And then same exact thing with the other one, like so. Then you fold the rear flap over, just so your Velcro doesn't get worn down by whatever's in the environment and stuff doesn't get stuck in it. And that's how you size the elastic cummerbund. So the way you're gonna size the straps is you have these tri-glides, right? And you basically just undo it, put it through. You know how to use these, they're pretty basic. And one feature I actually admired quite a bit was this. So basically, at first it just looks like a retainer strap, but like to retain the two shoulder straps together. But one thing I really like about it is that it's not just sewn in one place. It has a whole, I don't know, 10 inches of it. So if you're a smaller person like me, you can tighten it over this strap and you still have give for the other piece of the harness to move through. That helps a lot with, you know, being a smaller person like I am. And yeah, that's the T.Rex Arms Ready Rig. Quick little overview of it. I hope that helped guide you to see if you want this or not. And yeah, now I'll show some dry fire videos and stuff like that.